If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel, y'all. This is just too much going on. Let me show you guys the depth of what's going on right now. So I didn't let these packages pile up like this so we could do a video. I did not. This just happened literally in the span of a weekend and a couple days. Yeah, I recently just opened all my packages, cleaned up my office area, and it's back in disarray. But it's called Fine and Dandy because we're gonna get it together today. So this is all of the packages I have to open today. And y'all, I will be trying to get some of these items on like a website to sell, especially some of the things that I can't use, that I won't use. You know, after I, make my little content with it, But yeah, basically this video is going to be me opening up all my PR packages. I'm going to show you guys everything I got, everything I might like, and everything I might not like. So just stay tuned. Make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel. For the rest of this video, I'm probably going to do a voiceover because I'm trying to focus. And I don't have time to be stopping, talking about an item, showing you guys how to use the item. I mean, I'm probably going to, show the item and stuff like that right there. But we're going to be basically moving. Because I do have to do reviews on these products immediately after opening them. Then I have to find a place for them to go. Probably going to show you guys that part. And then I'm going to go on my shelf and look for items that it's not open, haven't been used, that I don't plan on using, that I might not use. Because, I'm just one person. I know I can't use all this stuff. Some stuff I would like to use, but I'm just one person, like I said. But items on here that I know I'm never going to use or never going to need, like all these skincare products, I cannot put all that stuff on my face. Yes, I would like to try to be one of those people that want to once a day use a different skincare product, that would be amazing content. But I don't know about putting all this stuff on my face. I just get my face clear or where I want it to be at this point, but I don't have time to be putting all this stuff on my face. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video. And yeah, period. What is up, guys? So I'm going to kind of give you guys like a little bit of I would say like life update about what's going on in my life, like how I'm doing and all this extra stuff, y'all. So lately, y'all, I know I haven't been recording. I know I haven't been uploading and posting videos like I post to. Honestly, y'all, I have been drained. I have been tired, mentally, physically. I'm trying not to let, everything get the best of me. I'm trying not to, be in low spirits because of the fact of, I told y'all guys I quit my job. I'm not working right now. I'm in limbo trying to figure out like what's going on in my life, what I want to do in my life. And, it's really stressful, y'all. But yeah, watch me open these packages. This is one of my side little hustles that I do to earn money or whatever. If you guys see anything you like, make sure you guys check the description box below because it will be in the link in my showcase for the other app. So yeah, so as you guys can see, I'm unboxing all these things like jewelry. It's basically PR packages. Companies send me money to promote their products, wear their products, test their products, review their products, whatever with their products. And I love that for me, but sometimes it can get overwhelmed, guys, like overwhelm me, because I be having a lot of products to go through and I be like, damn, like is this what I really want to do? Like, I don't sign myself up for this. And yeah, I just have to push through every time. Like, I don't know. This is what's making me majority of my income right now. I can't say that I have been looking for jobs or anything like that because I haven't, but eventually I will start looking for me something part-time, for the summer, for the rest of the summer or something like that right there, because I ain't even gonna lie, y'all, this stuff is starting to get to me. I am not a lazy person. I'm not a person that just want to sit at home and just, do nothing. Like, I like working, even though despite I be like, oh, I just want to sit around and wake up and then, I have my money and all this extra stuff. That would be nice and lovely. But, when I used to work for myself before, it became a problem with me being at home. Because I started feeling like lonely. I started social distancing myself. Like, I started getting like real bad social anxiety. And I feel like I have been working on that. And I don't want like all my progress to go to waste. And start getting back in the house, start not going places, stop doing me, stop being me. That's why I feel like lately I have been not being myself, not getting dressed, not, getting cute, not doing my lashes, not doing my brows, not really wanting to do anything. But I've been in the gym heavy. I've been doing things like that, like trying to get my body together, trying to lose this weight, y'all. It ain't no joke. Not even gonna lie. Like, it's just really strenuous, really stressful. but I'm trying to get through it, and I'm just taking one day at a time. Like, if y'all watch my other YouTube channel, then y'all see me on my journey, my weight loss journey, and me trying to lose weight and all this extra stuff. It's been going well. It's been going good. The challenges has been tough, trying to juggle everything I have going on, like creating content for YouTube, still being a mom, creating content for Instagram, TikTok, all these other apps, so I can make money. Because at the end of the day, now I'm a full-time content creator technically, and I just need to get on a roll. Some days, I just really want to just lay in the bed and do nothing, lay in the bed and sorrow and stop, be sad about things, but I can't, because I feel like hard decisions are not comfortable, and I'm tired of being comfortable. You have to be ready for the uncomfortable for something to change in your life. So I felt like I was at a dead-end job. I felt like I wasn't really going anywhere. I felt like it wasn't doing me anything. It wasn't giving me anything in return. Yes, I was getting paid. Yes, I was at a point where my side gig and my job was having me financially stable, but I had to take that big risk of cutting my income in half to follow my dreams, to do what I want to do, to see if I want to really start a career in something else, so I could potentially, in the long run, have something and have a career, so I can just have a big girl job. I'm tired of having these dead end, going nowhere jobs. I need benefits. I need something that's like a 9 to 5, 8 to 4, something like that. I need a morning job. I'm tired of working overnight. I just got my sleep schedule back together after almost 2 months of not working at that job, and it's just it's feeling refreshing, sleeping in my bed every night, having the freedom to do this and do that and do this. But honestly, y'all, people might think that, stuff is hard because they see other people, struggling with doing something. Honestly, y'all, I'm okay. I am content. I really don't give a damn. How sometimes when you throw the towel in because you really don't care no more? That's how it was for me when I left that job. And that's how it is for me now. I'm trying to find that drive again. I'm trying to build my strength. So I can do this. Even now, I've been pushing myself to keep pushing out content. Y'all see that bio oil? If y'all want to get rid of y'all stretch marks, go ahead and get that bio oil. But I've been trying to keep pushing out my content, keep showing up for my supporters every day, because I know these are the people that's, the reason why I am able to, sit at home sometimes and quit my job for a few months or whatever. It's almost been 2 months? It'll be 2 months on the 22nd, I think. And yeah, I can't say I don't have no regrets. Only thing I do regret is doing it as quickly and as swiftly before really figuring out what I really wanted to do. You get what I'm saying? And I feel like I should have at least gave it another month to really stack a little bit, to know okay, you secure, you got this in the bag. You can easily go ahead and sit down and not do anything, and it won't be but I did prepare 2 weeks in advance. So here we are. I've been in the gym every day trying to lose weight, taking my vitamins, period. If y'all a woman, get you some one of their vitamins. Girl, they be sending me everything. I'm going to put y'all up on game. I'm going to start doing classes on people, so y'all can know how to make some money on the side. Even if you want a career, even if you want to have a job and stuff like that right there, it's nothing wrong with making money on the side, because I do the same thing. I was doing it the whole time I was working. I had to figure out something, because that one job was not doing it, babe. It wasn't doing it at all. But yeah, y'all see that they be sending me a lot of cute things. I be not gonna lie, I do be picking some things that I pick most of the things that I get, and some things they offer, but certain things that I really want, I just go ahead and get it, because I was just you know what, I need that, especially stuff around the house, little stuff. Y'all don't understand how much it handy and how much this helps me a lot. I don't really have to buy clothes no more. I don't have to buy skincare products. I don't have to buy wigs, stuff around the house. I love that for me. And then while I'm promoting it, I'm making money at the same time. Y'all need to go ahead and do that once and try to get up on game with that. Because, yeah, let me know in the comment section below if you guys want me to teach you guys how to, start getting free stuff, start promoting stuff, start making money and stuff like that right there. Should I hold a class for that? No shade. But anyway, y'all, back to the video at hand. I've been getting a lot of two-piece sets, been getting a lot of shirts and workout outfits and stuff. Them pants was really, really cute, y'all. And they made my ass set up 2 bunk beds when I went to the gym. And I love that for me, y'all. I do. Anyway, y'all, some of this stuff, like I said, like, I don't like it per se, but these heels eat down. With that gold purse that I just got, it eats down so bad. Like, I'm like, okay, cool. Like, them heels in that purse, baby, a tea, a time. I just have to figure out where I'm going to wear it with it. If I'm going to wear somewhere with it, where I'm going to wear it to. All that stuff. Like, honestly, y'all, I am so grateful to still have something to do, something to like give me purpose and stuff like that right there, because I ain't even gonna lie. Like, if I was just sitting at home just pouting, sitting in my misery, like, I don't know. I'm not going to say what was going to happen or what could happen, but y'all just need to find y'all something that y'all love. Like, if you're looking at this video, you feeling stuck in life like I'm feeling or whatever, I feel like I just need to find my purpose, find what I'm passionate in, and just turn it into a source of revenue. That's what I need to do, and that's what I have been doing. No shade. But anyway, y'all, enough about that. Let's talk about my plan. So yes, y'all, I did still plan to like go to school to be, phlebotomist and stuff like that right there. Get my foot really in the healthcare field, because I'm honestly just, really tired of just not, having a big girl job. Like, I ain't even gonna lie, my job did pay well. It did pay more than a lot of places, not gonna lie. And it's probably gonna be hard for me to find a job starting off at that price point, which really, like, that's what really made it so hard for me, y'all. Because regardless of what any job I get, like, unless it's a job like where like I don't have to have no experience, I'm gonna literally have to do something else anyway on the side. So it is what it is. So that's the tea. That's what I'm doing. I'm working out, trying to get this belly, get this stomach together. I'm going to school in a minute. You know what I'm saying? Because I had to get my diploma. I didn't even have my diploma. So I had to get my diploma so I can go ahead and start and sign up for the school or whatever. So that's what I'm waiting on. So when I start that, y'all gonna get vlogs to get ready with me to go to school and stuff like that right there for that short amount of time, which I really love. I'm trying to see, should I do the weekend program or do the weekday program? If I do the weekday, y'all, my whole schedule is going to drastically change. That means I will have to start getting up at probably like 6 o'clock, 6:30 ish to get my son to summer camp, just so I can go ahead and get into the program at 9. And then after that, 9 to 1, like every day, Monday through Thursday. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. So I might do it on a weekend so I can have more time. So I in the meantime, in between time, I can just go find me a part-time job while I'm in the program that I can just do Monday through Friday, be off on Saturdays or something like that right there. So that is the plan, y'all. That is what's in motion. I'm doing everything that I said I want to do. I said I wanted to get in the gym, did it. Said I wanted to quit that job, did it. Still making ends meet, still paying my bills, still having food on my table, clothes on my back. That's the only thing I'm appreciative for. I just have to like get out of that funk. Like, I get into a funk where I don't want to do anything. And like, I gotta tell myself, like, girl, you can't just be getting into that funk. You just can't be just throwing in the towel saying, here, damn, it's so many people. I just be thinking about, it's people out here living their lives with less, enjoying themselves. Like, I'm too young to be feeling like I'm cooped up in the house. I'm too young to be feeling like I'm not doing anything. Honestly, y'all, I'm finna just start getting in better spirits, i.e. getting back into my content creating back, because I'm starting to feel like I'm finding that motivation again, low-key. Like, I just gotta come up with some, contents for you guys now that I'm really not, like, out and about spending money like I used to. Like, y'all, we was out and about doing those things because I had the money to spend. Now, bitch, I gotta watch my pockets. So it's gonna be more so videos inside the house and stuff like that right there. Oh, I thought I was about to get pulled over, girl. I thought I was about to get pulled over. But yeah, so like, this is what I'm going to continue doing. I'm going to continue doing my content creating shit. And yeah, we finna just boss up. So stay tuned for the get ready with me. Stay tuned for the day in my life. Stay tuned for the morning in my life. Stay tuned for, like, work loss, weight loss, story times. Most importantly, y'all, I'm finna give y'all so many more story times. I'm finna just say F it. Like, I've been trying to protect and spare people feelings. I've been trying to, like, not put people all in my business, but it's all for the love of the game, babe. It's all for the love of the game. It's all for the love of the games. But anyway, y'all, make sure y'all follow me on all my social media platforms and stuff like that right there. so you guys can stay connected with me. You know, if you guys see anything you like. Also, guys, I done started a Depop. If y'all want new, used, any wig you want, I got it. So go ahead and check out my Depop in the description box below. Check out my showcase if you see any products on here that you like, y'all. And thank y'all so much for the support. Yeah, just continue to watch this video to the end, and I'll see you guys next time. Alright, y'all, as you guys can see, that is it for my little unboxing. I tried to show you guys everything. I'm getting overwhelmed. I'm gonna probably slow down on getting some of these products that I don't need for sure. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna be getting the stuff I do need. Oh yeah, I got 2 more packages here. Couldn't see, babe. I was gonna throw it away too. What is this? I did not know it was that small. Jewelry galore, jewelry section gonna be bomb. All that extra, but it's just too much going on. But yeah, if you guys see some items that you guys like, make sure you guys check the description box below. They will be in my showcase. It's Life of Kelly showcase in the description box below. And yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys like this video and subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye.